Hello everyone, welcome back to my workshop. I'm happy to have you here because today we are making some tongs. I do have already 4 pairs, but 2 of them are just bad tongs. They are broken and their jaws are just useless. So I'm left with those 2 pairs. These bigger ones are really great, but they are for larger stock, like 1 centimeter and bigger. And I sometimes need to work on smaller material, so one pair I will be making is V-shaped jaw and the second pair will be needle-nosed because I'm really missing such type when I'm making leaves and details. The second pair that I'm already using is just flat jaw. This type of tong is able to grip on really wide scale of stocks, but is great for none. It's necessary to have this type of universal tong, but I would like to have one with a bit more grip, so I'm thinking of wolf jaw. These are plans, but today I won't be able to finish more than 1 or 2 pairs. So let's stop talking and start walking. But to make any type, we need to be able to rivet. And for that it's necessary to have some special hardies. And that's why we have to make them first. As a stock material for the tongs I chose 5x50 flat bar. It's not the best choice for tongs, but I had it lying around, so why not to use it? I will forge the tongs such a way that you can do it as well without any tongs at all, so I will be holding it in my hands all the time. And that means that I will be forging it in one piece, and then just before the riveting I will be cutting it into 2 pieces. But it's a long way to riveting, so first of all I will separate material for the jaw itself and create the bolster. Yes, I know it looks more like a draw knife than tongs, but we are almost done. The jaw is finished, the bolster is finished, so the only thing left is to draw out the handles and punch holes for the rivet. Okay, the first pair of tongs is done. I'm really satisfied with the riveting. It's mainly because of my bad experience with the riveting. I tried before and it went quite bad. First of all, I was unable to hammer both sides on one heat, so I was forced to heat up the whole piece, and that's not good because it tends to deform and you have to repair it and it's bad. Also, the rivet tends to bend instead of forging out, which is even worse than the first. As the rivet bends, it also widens the hole, so with each try you are getting bigger and bigger hole, and after a few tries you are running out of bolster and you can throw away the whole piece. So with such an experience, I was really afraid of the riveting, and as I said 30 seconds ago, it turned awesome. The tongs themselves are also great. They are not piece of art, but they are functional and I needed them. Okay, I have to stop talking quite quickly because already I captured like 4 hours, and that means that the video is attacking 10 minutes again, and I really don't like that. Also, editing 4 hours to fit into 10 minutes is a little hell, so yeah, let's finish it. If you are a bit more interested in this whole learning blacksmithing, I recommend you to visit my Facebook page. I post there work in progress photos, behind the scenes and stuff that I was unable to fit into the video itself. If you like what I'm doing, please share because it helps the most. Thank you for watching and bye.